Hello friends, starting episode number 8. So, in the last 7 episodes, I think you have already watched that. Okay. So, as of now, I have showed you how you can, you know, say anything, any command, and Jarvis or Friday performs that command. Now, I'm going to show you in this episode how you can issue multiple statements. Number one, how you can parameterize your commands. Okay, how you can work with cross application bots with some data set. Okay, so basically I'm talking about the parameterization or iterations. Okay, and also workflow. So workflow is the final objective. Okay, that I will cover in the next two episodes, episode 9 and 10. In this episode I will show you the significance of this clock. Okay, on the left side. Now I think you already understand what it means. Okay, so data is the only reality which keeps on flowing from one application to other application. Okay, now let's start with this one, and then I will explain the cross application workflows in detail. Okay, all right, start listening. Show my desktop. Go to folder ID number 16. Go to folder ID number 7. Show only Excel file types. Open file ID number 2. Close display. Go to sheet number 2. Okay, activate module number 25.
Digital bot activated.
Go to sheet number 2. Go to sheet number 3. Okay, go to sheet number 1. Stop listening for a while. Alright guys, so I just opened a sample Excel file. So this is basically my DSA tracker which I used long back. Okay, so I am going to run. Okay, let's see. let's see the example. Okay, start listening. Select custom range. Select custom range from cell D3 to D7. Set selection as active list.
Active list updated with below items.
Run code generator for active list. Please run code generator for active list.
Initiating code generator bot to process all your requests one by one. Saving an output directory. Saving an output directory. Saving an output directory. Completed your request successfully.
No, there are 5 questions I provided and you have solved 3. So it showed that response error from LLM. Okay, so let's try one more time. Um, Run code generator for active list. Please run code generator for active list.
Initiating code generator bot to process all your requests one by one. Saving an output directory. Saving an output directory. Saving in output directory. Completed your request successfully.
Stop listening for a while. Sorry. Alright guys, so I just solved 5 data structure problem without touching my laptop mouse. Okay, just voice generated. Okay, let's see what are the results. Longest palindromic substring. So topic, language, code. Alright, description, example, input, output. Okay, median of 2 sorted arrays. I mean, I'm not going to verify the answer of each of them, because see, my intention is to show that you can parameterize or you can give any topic as a list and it can generate the response automatically. Now, correctness of the response depends on what type of LLM version you are using. I'm using a backdated version, so I'm not bothered about the exact accuracy or exact data it is returning. The point is, if you switch to the latest model, you will get the accurate result. But yeah, I mean, the old model also doesn't work bad. I mean, this is working pretty well. Okay, now like that. All right, let's see a second example. Start listening. Generate active list on top 5 most important DevOps tools to learn.
Active list updated with below items.
Please add prefix to active list as top 20 interview questions on.
Active list updated with below items.
Run Excel generator for active list.
Initiating Excel generator bot to process all your requests one by one. Completed your request successfully.
Stop listening for a while. Alright, so what I just did, I asked top 5 most important DevOps tools, and then I added a prefix like generate top 20 questions. Now, all these parameters like top 5 can be top 50, top 500, top 5000. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Top 20 interview question, you can say top 200 also. The point is, see what the result it returned. Okay, so this, it has created top 20 interview questions on Ansible. Okay, these are the 20 questions along with the answers. Then top 20 questions on Jenkins. Okay, questions, answer. Then top 20 questions on Kubernetes. Okay, questions along with the answers. Top 20 questions on Git along with the answers. Okay, and top 20 questions on Docker, questions and answer. Okay, so I hope you understood that you can generate anything. Okay, I just use your imagination. You can choose, or you can give any type of list. Okay, let me show you some more examples. So basically the point is to show that how you can iterate the bots. Okay, you can parameterize the bots with any type of data set. So in first example I have selected from an Excel sheet and add it to the active list and ask the code generator to run. In the next example, I asked it to generate the dataset itself, like a list of top 5 DevOps tool sets. Okay, and then asked that, okay, you generate top 20 questions. Like that, you put anything, you generate the dataset also, then you explore each items. Okay, I hope you can understand what you can do with these features. Okay, any topic. All right, um, let's move to the second example. Now I'm going to show you how you can basically parameterize the actions. Okay, individual bot actions and not the whole bot itself. Okay, if you have seen the earlier examples, I think I showed you more than hundreds or 200 examples on Excel, PowerPoint, Word, etc., etc. Okay, database, YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple of examples that I'm going to parameterize with any data set I want. Okay, all right, start listening. Please generate active list on 192 countries of the world.
Active list updated with below items.
Insert folders from active list. Insert Python file types from active list. Insert HTML file type for active list. Insert PowerPoint slides from active list. Actually it runs much faster than this. My recording software is consuming a lot of resources, so I'm running the entire Jarvis core along with the recording software. So um, that's why this is at least 2 to 3 times slower. Insert word title from active list. please insert word titles from active list. Okay, I should have cut short the list. Next operation, I will take a selective list of 10, 15 max. So I think you understood the point, right? It doesn't matter whether you give 10 items or 10,000 items. Okay, I just wanted to show you how you can parameterize or run something in iteration. So here I have given, if you see my comments, like creation of a folder is one action, creation of a file another action, inserting a word title is one action, inserting a PowerPoint slide is one action, right? So these are the individual actions which I just parameterized with list of all the countries. Okay, so it can be anything. Okay, you ask any topic or any specific data set you have within your Excel file. Okay, I think it is finished now. Close all the folders. Show the ribbon view. Show active session items. Close item ID number 1. Close item ID number 3. Close item ID number 2. Close display. Stop listening for a while. Alright guys, so I think I have shown a couple of examples on the parameterization and iteration. Okay, so this is my list, the things I'm going to show you in episode number 8, this episode. Don't try to read that. I don't understand my own handwriting after writing. Such a poor handwriting I have. Okay, so what next? So next part I am going to show you how you can this clock, I'm going to show you how you can transfer application from or let's say one application to other application, how you can do interaction with database, extract the table data, put it on Excel, then Excel to CSV, Excel to XML, Excel to etc., then database to PowerPoint, and at the end I'll show you a very special case, how you operations and data transfer with help of some mapping. Okay, so left side source, right side target, and via map I will show you how you can smoothly control many things. So I'm just going to take a break here and I will resume back for the part 2, that is the cross bot, okay, or cross application bot. All right, so here I am pausing. All right friends, I'm back. So let's now start with the second part, that is cross application bot. So I'm going to show you multiple ways, like how you can transfer your data from one format to other format and do lots of operations. Okay, so let's start listening. Show my desktop.
Multiple action matches this description. Kindly be more specific.
Show my desktop. Go to folder ID number 16. Go to folder ID number 7. Open item ID number 5. Close display. Activate module number 25.
Digital bot activated.
Select custom range from A1 to E5. Set selection as active dataset.
Selected data set is now active.
Export active data set to XML format. Export active data set to JSON format. Export active data to text format dataset. Export active dataset to CSV format. Stop listening. All right, so I think you have seen I selected specific 5 rows, okay, not all the rows but only 5 rows of the Excel file, and I asked to generate different formats. So Excel to XML, Excel to CSV, Excel to JSON, Excel to text. So these are the different examples, okay, and it has exported only that part, not the full table. If you say select the full table range, then it will export all the records, okay. So this is the CSV, okay, only the four records basically, excluding the header. So that is CSV, and where are the others? Yeah, XML. See here, row 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. JSON, like that. And text. So I think you can imagine now you can select any Excel file, you can select any particular portion, and you can transfer that to this formats. Okay, how useful it will be when you are working on a, let's say, API testing, and you have the data set in Excel format which you want into the JSON format to build the payload. So just imagine different scenarios how you can play with data format and transferring from one format to other. Okay, now let's go into the database. Okay, um, start listening. Show all active, sorry, show all database. Activate database ID number 131.
Database Paro is now active.
Show all tables. Show all databases. Activate database ID number 128.
Database demo data is now active.
Show all tables. Show table ID number 1. Stop listening. So what you are seeing is basically view of a database. Okay, this not only shows all your OS files and folders but also can show the database view. Okay, so these are the columns. There are 29 columns, and these are the different rows: doctor name, doctor degree, contact number. All these are sample dataset I created using Generative AI. Okay, so these are the different records. Okay, just like that, all the different tables are there. Start listening. Show all tables. Export all tables to Excel. Close display. Stop listening. See, with with one command I exported all the database tables into Excel. Okay, so here are the list. Okay, it created this new Excel with sheets. There are 29 records, right? So apart from header, there are 29 records with all the different fields of the database. Okay, like that. PPT resume. Again, this dummy data set I created. Like that. Okay, Word template, like that. Okay, now start listening. Show all tables. Please show all tables. Activate table ID number 5.
Table word underscore test underscore execution underscore report is set as active table.
Export active table to JSON format. Export active table to XML format. Sorry. Activate table ID number 7.
Table word underscore top underscore interview underscore questions is set as active table.
Show table ID number 7. Export active table to Word. Export active table to Microsoft Word. Stop listening. All right, guys. So this is one more example. Like I converted the database records into Word format, which finally saved in a PDF format. So that was having all the questions and answers with explanation or example. Okay, so see here, it automatically generated the question, the answer, example, like that. Okay, like that. Okay, so I think you understood the significance of the clock, okay, which is running in the background. I am closing all this thing. So start listening.
Updating your spoken language as English.
Stop listening. Now I think you understood these examples. Now I am going to show you a more special case, like how we can not only generate document but also can generate any type of, let's say, digital file. Okay, I'm just showing one example, and you just think how we can generate different types of document from that example. So this is a special case that I am going to do through some definite map. Okay, so I already explained in the beginning, like the left side is the database which is having the source data, and the right side I have the target application. It can be Excel, it can be document, it can be, in this case it will be PowerPoint. Okay, and we will generate hundreds of documents using the map. Okay, I mean mapping of columns, so source columns versus target columns. Okay, now start listening. Activate table ID number 1.
Table PPT underscore doctor underscore prescription is set as active table.
Show the PowerPoint mapping template. Show the Excel template. Stop listening. So here you can see 3 columns are there: map source, map target, and available target fields. Okay, so basically here the left side or the column A, I will say fill up that column with all the database column names. Okay, and in column C I will ask fill up this from this PowerPoint template. Okay, which is basically this one. Let me zoom a little bit. So this is a template I just created manually with hand, not with voice. It will take a lot of time, but we can create this with voice. Okay, you know, it's just a matter of designing different templates. Now the same way, this template, resume template, or any template, okay, you can create. Just creating the labels or files. I'm coming to the point later. First I want to show you. Okay, so so this is the PowerPoint template. Just remember that. Start listening. Fetch all map fields. Stop listening. You know what it has just done? It has basically searched all the columns of my active table and listed out here. So you saw that doctor name, degree, so all the columns were there. Okay, and simultaneously it fetched the PowerPoint slide columns. So currently the active slide is number 1, which is showing the doctor's template. So it has created, or it has fetched all the placeholder labels. Okay, no, not labels, the text values. Okay, or text boxes. Now you can you can just see that I can put this mapping. So these are the available fields, and I can just put the mappings. Actually the mapping is happening between A and B, column A and B. So I can put it like that, but it's Jarvis, you don't need to do anything, just need to say. Start listening. Automatically map all the fields. Stop listening. So what it has done, it has actually checked all the available fields and put that, I mean it checked both side, okay, and for this fields it look up for this fields and automatically mapped it, okay. I mean you would have understood this better if I would have uneven columns, okay. Then I mean maybe in the next episode I will show that you have 30 or 50 columns on the left side and you have only 3 or 4 columns on the right side. In that case, how it does the mapping. So if it is not getting any specific field, it will keep as blank. So it is trying to map which matches are most relevant, okay, as per the source columns. Now start listening. Save the mapping. Please save the mapping.
Mapping saved successfully.
Create multiple PDF files from active table. Watch this. Okay, so there are 29 it will create 29 PDF files with the corresponding database records, okay. Let it be running. Meanwhile I am trying to explain the bigger picture of this, okay. So see, this is a template on our of our doctor's prescription, okay. It can be any document. It can be your passport, it can be your voter card, your electricity bill, your whatever type of document you can imagine. Just check your document one more time and compare two documents. So what are the difference from one document to other? The first difference is the rectangle size, okay. Either it's a width is small, height is bigger, okay, or it's the opposite case, the width is large but the height is small. Between these dimensions all types of there, so basically the difference is the paper size, number one. Second is you will find either text or image, okay, put in a different position. So if you have seen my PPT episode, voice generated PowerPoint, then I showed you many examples how you can place different elements into different positions of the PPT, okay, position index 11 or fine tuned position, like left is this, right is that. So this is a matter of the template.
Generated total 29 PDF files in this directory.
Stop listening. All right. Yeah. So what I was saying, that it has created, see here, it created total 29 PDF items with the database records, okay. As per the different records, you can ask it to generate only one PDF with all the records, it will create that many number of pages. I'm not going to show again. So so that's the thing. So what I was saying that, yeah, let me show it from here if I can. If you go to the design tab and if you select custom slide size, let's say here it is currently width is 33 and height is 19. Okay, let me reverse that. I am setting width as 13 and height as 33. I select OK. See, the shape has changed like this. Okay, or even if we put it like 43 and here we put it like 20. See, the shape is now like this. Okay, what I'm trying to say, all documents will fit into that. That's the paper size, okay, which you can change any point of time. Now let's put some decent size like 30 and here let's put as 19. Anyway, okay, I will not save this template, otherwise it will mess up with that. So my point was, so these are the placeholders. Okay, these are the labels and the placeholders. Let me copy few and let's try to put here. Okay, like that. Okay, now you can put any logo, any image, be it a passport image, be it a boarding pass image, be it of any specific company logo, whatever it is. Okay, just go back to the PPT episode and see. So the point is, don't you think we can generate any type of record, any type of document like this? So from database where we have the raw records, and we can design any type of templates and we can instantly print or generate that type of document. Now why I said so many things, if you have seen the vision episode number 6, there I showed you how you can read your physical documents and convert it to the digital document, like fetching some values from the physical records like electricity bills. I think I showed electricity bills or any type of document. Okay, so if you combine these two, physical document to digital document, and you are creating a database, and then from that database, from the digital document, you can again create this kind of individual documents and then you can print. So physical document to digital form, then digital form to physical form. That is the bigger picture. I mean, just to explain this one line, I have to say so many things. So you need to combine. See, here I am trying to show in different episodes, I share different ideas. Okay, so if you have not seen any specific video, then please do watch all that, because it's not about one idea, it's about how we can combine multiple ideas together to create something bigger, or we can think about digital transformation. Okay, if we combine this these features or these ideas, if we put together. All right, so anyway, I think I have given enough explanation. Just think from your side. Okay, so this is it, and I think I have covered all these points, yeah, mostly. So in the next two example, episode number 9 and 10, that is going to be the most vital episode, or you can say that those two will show you the actual iceberg. All this thing I showed until this episode 8. Okay, these are the individual capabilities of Jarvis. Episode 9 and 10, especially 10, I will show you the full picture. Okay, thanks for your patience and thanks for tolerating me. Have a nice day. Bye.